Hi viewers, welcome to BDNP. A very happy new year to you viewers. Today we're going to look at quantifiers. What are quantifiers? We use quantifiers in English when we want to give someone information about a number of things. Quantifiers like how much, how many, more, most, all, no, a lot, enough, a few, a little are used with countable and uncountable nouns. Some of these quantifiers are used in Nigerian Pidgin English exactly the way they are used in English. For example, how many people do you want to invite? How many people you want invite? Do you need more money? You need more money. That guy has lots of houses. That guy gets lots of house. It's only few workers that like Philip. Now, only few workers like Philip. However, there are few differences in the use of some quantifiers like much, many, few, and little. Much and many, unlike in English, can be used interchangeably sometimes in countable and uncountable nouns in Nigerian Pidgin English. For example, the people that came to the party
were not many.
The people wey come the party no much. Or the people wey come the party no many. In the case of quantifiers few and little, they can be changed for the adjective small in Nigerian Pidgin English. For example, give me a little bit of rice. Give me small rice. Few people came to class today. Now small people come class today. In our next lesson, we will look at intensifying adjectives, which can be somehow related to some quantifiers. Make sure you don't miss it. Make the best of your day, and thanks for watching. Peace is in.